Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCamberrySolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of past paper for the Cambridge International AS and A level and O level. Today, I shall explain some question of paper 5, Probability and Statistics 1, session by June 2025. Let's start. For the question number 1, the Rachel has 3 coins. The first coin is biased so that the probability of obtaining a head when it is thrown is 1 by 3. The second coin is biased so that the probability of obtaining a head when it is thrown is 1 by 4. The third coin is fair. Rachel throws the 3 coins at the same time. The random variable x is the number of the tails that she obtains. Draw up the probability distribution table for x. In the solution section, first of all, according to the given data, as the coin is biased and its head probability given in the question statement is equal to 1 by 3. If the probability of head is 1 by 3, then we can calculate the probability of the tail, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Again, in the question statement, the head for the second coin is given, which is equal to 1 by 4. So its tail will be 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. And the last one, as the third one, the third coin is the fair coin. Fair coin means each side has the same probability of on the one side, 50% equally. Like for the third coin, the head probability is 1 by 2. So the tail probability is again 1 by 2 because it is fair. Let x be the variable for the number of tails. Then x can be have the values. Add as given in the question statement, x denotes the tail. So there may be 0 tail. It means there is no tail. 1 tail, 2 tail, 3 tail. 3 tail means all the coin has a tail. So we shall solve this. P of x equal to 0 means all are head. So by putting the value of all head are 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Like you can see that 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. The probability of the 0 tail means all our head is equal to 1 by 24. P of x equal to 3 means there are all tail. On the 3 coins, 3 coins have all tails. So the tail probability is 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, which is equal to 6 over 24. For the next option is that when there are 2 tails. When there are 2 tails, then the probability will be equal to first coin may have tail, second coin may have tail, and the third coin have a head. And the next one, first coin has a tail, second coin has a head, and third coin has a tail. And for the third option, first coin has a head, third coin has a tail, second coin has a tail, and third coin has a tail. So in each case, there are 2 tails. By putting the value of tail value is equal to 2 by 3. After that, the tail value for the second is equal to 3 by 4. That I have put 3 by 4. And after that, 3 by 4. And the tail value of the fair coin is equal to 1 by 2. That we have 1 by 2. Similarly, we have put the value of tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail. After simplification, we get 11 over 24. So the next option is when there is only 1 tail. 1 tail means on the 3 coins there is 1 tail. The probability is first tail, second head, first head, second tail, third head. And the next probability is first head, second head, third tail. By putting the value of tail, head from this we come to know that 1 tail probability is equal to 6 over 24. So we shall now define the probability distribution table. For the probability distribution table, as there are only 4 options, 0, there is no tail, 1, there is 1 tail, 2, there is 2 tail, and 3, there is 3 tail. So as we have calculated in the above calculation, 0 have a 6 over, 0 have a 1 over 24. As you can see that 0 have 124, 1 has 1 by 4, 2 have 11 by 24, and 3 has 1 over 4. This is the distribution table according to the requirement of the question 1. Let's start the next question. Next question is question number 2. Milford 70% of the resident on a bicycle. A random sample of 160 residents is selected. Use a suitable approximation to find the probability that more than 120 of these residents on a bicycle. Question number 3. A bag contains 4 blue marbles and 12 red marbles. One marble is selected at random from the bag. If this marble is blue, it is replaced in the bag. But if it's red, it is not replaced. A second marble is now selected at random from the bag. Part A, find the probability that the both marbles selected at the same color. The second is find the probability that the first marble is blue given that the second marble is red. For the question number 4, the vehicle approaching a certain road junction from Bromley must go either left, right or straight. Over the time, it is known that 30% turn left, 25% turn right and 45% go straight. The driver of each vehicle chooses a direction independently for all other drivers. For the part A, find the probability that the next 3 vehicles approaching the junction from Bromley all go in the different directions. For part B, find the probability that from the vehicle approaching this junction from Bromley today, the first vehicle to go to left is before the 9th vehicle. For the part C, find the probability that from the vehicle approaching the junction from Bromley today, the second vehicle is go to the left, the 7th vehicle. The second vehicle to go left is the 7th vehicle. For the question number 5, the time taken T times by 300 students to travel to the Halton College are recorded. The results are summarized in the table below. The first row is about the time and second row is about the cumulative frequency. T less than equal to 10, T less than equal to 20, T less than equal to 30, and T less than equal to 40, and T less than equal to 60, and T less than equal to 90. Cumulative frequency is given. For T less than equal to 10 is equal to 34, 86, 142, 208, 265, and 300. For the part of this question, on the grid, draw a cumulative frequency graph to illustrate this information. For part B, 120 students take more than k minutes to travel to the college. Use the graph to estimate the value of the k. For part C, estimate the mean and standard deviation of the times taken to travel to the college by 300 students. For the question number 6, find the number of different ways in which the 10 letter in the word A, M, A, L, G, A, M, A, T, E can be arranged in that there is a M at the beginning and an M at the end of and no A's are together. For the part B, find the number of different ways in which the 10 letter in the word A, M, A, L, G, A, M, A, T, E can be arranged with exactly 3 letters between 2 A's. The part C is find 5 letters are selected from the 10 letter in the word A, M, A, L, G, A, M, A, T, E. Find the number of different selection in which the 5 letters included at least 1 M and at least 2 A's. For the question number 7, kestrel are bird adults wingspan are normally distributed with mean 74.8 centimeter and standard deviation 3.2 centimeter. A random sample of 120 adults kestrel is selected. For part B, how many of these 120 adult kestrel would you expect to have wingspan between 72.4 and 76.3? For the part B, the masses of the adult kestrel are normally distributed with mean mu kg and the standard deviation sigma kg. It is known that 20% of the adult kestrel have mass greater than 0.20 kg and 28% have mass less than 0.185 kg. For part B of this question, find the value of mu and the value of the sigma. For the part C, 10 adult kestrel are selected at random. Find the probability that fewer than 3 has masses greater than 0.202 kg. Now the question is how you can get the solution of all these questions. First of all, you have to log into the website kingcambridgesolution.com. In the step 2, you will click on the right top corner login and register link. When you click on this link, you will find the interface like this one. When you click on the login register link, After that, you will click on the sign up link. When you click on the sign up link, you will find this interface. On this interface, you will provide the user password and your email address. After providing this, you will click on the sign up button. When you click on the sign up button, you will automatically log in to the website, or you can manually log into the website. After login to the website, go to the courses section of the website. You can see on the screen and click the course list. When you click on the course list, you will see the different courses available on the website. On the right section, there is a category section. In the category section, you can select the category in which you find the subject or course. So after that, you on the course, preview course button will be shown, as you can see on the screenshot. When you click on the preview course, you will get the icon, this screenshot. On this screenshot, first of all, you will click on the add to cart button. When you click on the add to cart button, after that you will click buy now. After this, you will fill up your Stripe form, like your name, your country, and other things, and select the Stripe. After that, you will click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, after that, you will go to the order history. In your login section, on the top right corner, you will click on the combo box. After that, you will click on the order history. When you click on the order history, you will find the course that you have bought from the website. After that, you will click on the link of the course. When you click on the link of the course, you will find this interface. On this interface, there are two icons. One is the PDF icon and other is the video icon. When you click on the PDF icon, this icon will download the solution of the question in PDF form. And when you click on the video icon, the video will be downloaded to your local for that question. Best of luck. See you in the next series of the Cambridge.